This is Lady Locks here with another Locksport service announcement. On the first part of this series, we went over tensioning and how to detect an overset pin. Today we're going to talk about what to do if you do encounter an overset. The first way that you can deal with an overset pin is just simply let off on the tension a tiny bit, kind of increment by increment, until you hear the overset pin drop. Now, you might hear other pins drop, which in that case, you just have to, start over again with picking. But most of the time, you can get it to where when you let off tension, just the overset pins will drop and you can continue picking your lock. The second way to deal with an overset pin is unfortunately to just start over the entire process of picking. Let off tension and just start all over again. We all know that it's really hard to pick a lock, and sometimes it's hard to even find those pins. There are ways to actually help you locate the pins inside of the lock, and if you'd like to know more, tune into part 3 of the series. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you are not already. You may now return to your regularly scheduled programming. Lady Locks out.